Let's talk about elemental analysis of Bhutan. The Kingdom of Bhutan is a landlocked country in eastern Himalaya. Bhutan is also called as Land of Thunder Dragon. It has been heavily influenced by Tibetan culture and Tibetan Buddhism. Bhutan's state religion is Vajrayana Buddhism. Bhutan has its own military unit, but it mainly depends on Indian military. Bhutan has one of the largest water reserves in the world for hydropower. Glacier melting caused by climatic change is growing concern in Bhutan. Why Bhutan is called as Land of Thunder Dragon? I will explain through elemental analysis of Bhutan. In the name of Bhutan, first letter B, which is symbol of boron, second letter H, which is symbol of hydrogen, third letter U, which is symbol of uranium, fourth and fifth letters T and A, which is symbol of tantalum, sixth letter N, which is symbol of nitrogen. Bhutan contains 5 elements: boron, hydrogen, uranium, tantalum and nitrogen. Boron contains 3 electrons in its outermost orbit. After formation of molecule also, it does not reach its stable octet configuration. So it ready to accept electron from electron donor. This electron deficient nature of boron is responsible for Bhutan readily accept military aid from its neighbor India. Second element in the name of Bhutan is hydrogen. When hydrogen combusted with air, it produces water and release heat. No emission of carbon, which is responsible for Bhutan is only negative carbon country in the world, which means it absorbs more amount of carbon dioxide than it produces. Third element in the name of Bhutan is uranium. Uranium-235 isotope used in atom bomb. When uranium-235 bombarded with neutron, it will become unstable uranium-236. Then it will be split into 2 lighter nuclei, 3 neutrons and release tremendous amount of energy with great sound, which is responsible for Bhutan is a land of thunder dragon. Mighty storm produced in Himalaya which can hear in Bhutan. That is why Bhutan called as land of thunder dragon. Next element in the name of Bhutan is tantalum, which is very hard, high density, extremely high melting point, excellent resistant to all acids, which is responsible for Bhutan never ruled by an external entity. Last element in the name of Bhutan is nitrogen. Nitrogen is triple bonded diatomic molecule. It do not take part chemical reaction at ordinary temperature because bond dissociation energy is very high. It's very difficult to separate 2 nitrogen atom in a molecule. Similarly, Bhutanese people love their king a lot. Peoples of Bhutan and their king binded with strong bond like nitrogen. It is a very difficult to separate. Bhutan contains 5 elements: boron, hydrogen, uranium, tantalum and nitrogen. After formation of compound also, boron ready to accept electron from electron donor. This electron deficient nature of boron is responsible for Bhutan accept military aid from its neighbor India. When hydrogen combusted with air, it produces heat, water and no emission of carbon, which is responsible for Bhutan is a only negative carbon country in the world. During nuclear fission reaction, uranium produces tremendous amount of energy with great sound, which is responsible for Bhutan is a land of thunder dragon. Tantalum is the excellent resistant to all acids, which is responsible for Bhutan never ruled by an external entity. The bond dissociation energy of nitrogen is very high, very difficult to separate 2 nitrogen atom in a molecule, which is responsible for relation between Bhutanese people and their king. Hope enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.